that was Nuage by Django Reinhardt. So we're going to spend the remainder of the video working on it. We're going to have a segment where I take you note by note through the standard notation and with the tablature, and you'll be able to see kind of what I'm doing as we go along there. And then we'll have another segment where we'll have play along with kind of virtual instruments at a kind of slow tempo. So hopefully give you an idea of getting started. So good starting off point. So the way I just played it may not be exactly what we talk about, but for the most part, it will be in line with what I did there. But there may be some little differences here and there. All right, well, if you do like this video and find this helpful, please hit the thumbs up button, the like button, and turn on notifications. I do have a live stream, and I'm posting videos fairly regularly. And so click subscribe and check out the member area too. So got a lot of videos and live streams there as well. All right, well, let's get started with the kind of note by note walkthrough of this. Okay, so we're starting here in 6th position. And then I'm basically kind of walking down on the 2nd string. Okay, so just moving along there. Okay, now this these next 4 notes are kind of like a little bit of a fill here. Okay, and then we're kind of back to the regular melody here. So okay, so again landing on this note. Okay, so now we're working up into 7th position. So we're going to play like this, and then on string 4, and then we're moving to string 1. And then I'm doing a hammer on pull off with that. Okay, and then bending half step up on the 9th fret. Okay, and then we start this next part out pretty similar to that. Up back to 1st fret, or 1st string rather. Okay, so you may notice a few differences in what I did earlier. I may be sliding, but those are basically kind of the notes there. Okay, and then this first note, we could probably ghost this a little bit here, this 9th fret, but now this 9th fret, we're going to slide to here. So kind of keep that ringing. Okay, and then we're going to go 9 to 5, 8, slide to 6. Okay, and then 2nd measure here. Okay, and then we're up in 12th position. And again, bending half step there. Moving down to 6th position and into 7. Okay, now this time we're going to do a hammer on, pull off, moving down to the 6th fret. So just kind of working 1 fret at a time down there. Okay, here we have another one of these fills, basically. Okay, and then we're gonna play right here, back to the kind of the melody, regular melody. landing on this note. So I'm doing a slide in and out of that 9th fret there. And then again, this is another little kind of reestablishing that note there, G. Okay, and then we're coming up here to 11th position, going into 12th position. Okay, here another hammer on pull off. And then we're landing on the 15th fret there. And we're going to start out kind of similar to that. Okay, and then we're going to move down from there. So I'm sliding into that, so you can make little decisions on what you want to do with it, but it kind of restates that with a little bend on the 14th fret. Okay, and then we get back to 6th position. And again, another hammer on and pull off. Okay, now we're gonna slide where you could hammer on, so you could make your decisions on those things. And then playing the last note. So that's just going to ring over. So that is basically the melody there. Okay, so next up we're going to work on the play along segment. So I'm not playing in this portion. This is going to be played by a virtual instrument, but you'll have the notation going in time, and then the virtual fingerboard as well, so you can reference both of those, and you might rewatch it and watch one more than the other, or whatever you need to do with it. well, thanks for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it again, and I hope you're having a really great practice session. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on notifications, and check out the member area. Have a great practice session.